This is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a monthly habit to help you get and stay organized. And this is about keeping your digital life organized. A lot of times these days, we download videos and clips and shorts, and they end up in our downloads folder. You may not even realize that you have a downloads folder, and therefore you might not realize that it could be full. Things like videos take up a lot of memory, and they can slow our system down. And the funny thing is, usually once we've watched it, we don't really plan to ever watch it again, and yet we don't take that extra step of getting rid of it. So it clogs up our folder, clogs up our memory, and slows down the machine. So if you're somebody who tends to download, and this could be on your phone or on your laptop or your desktop, I suggest that once a month, just take a look and see what might be accumulated in this location. I bet there are some videos in there that you could trash, you won't miss them, and you'll free up some space and help your system to run more efficiently. You don't have to do this every month. You could do it quarterly as well. But if you have time, you could even do it more frequently. The idea is to let clutter never accumulate in any space in our life, including on our computers and phones. So try this monthly habit to keep your digital devices running as smoothly as possible.